This is the new XL 254mm Extendable Table Saw, bringing some serious big blade energy to your workshop. So today we are going to be talking about this new premium table saw. We're going to be putting it through its paces, and you can see why it's such a standout competitor on the UK market today. So at the heart of this saw is an 1800 watt continuous motor, and it also peaks at 2000 watts, so you need that extra push. It comes fitted with a 254mm 48 tooth blade, not a generic multi-purpose blade, but one specifically designed for timber. That means cleaner, more accurate cuts straight away. So it even comes with these replacement motor brushes, which shows that we're always thinking about long-term reliability and not just your first cut. You've got a maximum cut depth of 80mm at 90 degrees and 58mm at 45 degrees. That tilting blade is quick to adjust with the front hand wheel and locking lever, giving you everything from straight rips to clean bevel cuts. So always remember, when using this machine, it's absolutely essential that you've got the correct PPE with you. That means your ear defenders, your mask, your safety glasses, and a dust extractor if you've got one. Where this saw really stands out is accuracy and consistency. The rack and pinion fence is guided from both ends of the rail so it doesn't wobble when you're pushing material through. The scales on the table are clearly marked with two sets of measurements depending on where you mount the fence. Here's a clever addition, the foldable stop rail. For narrow cuts, flip it over to reduce the stop height and guide thin material safely. For larger panels, fold it down fully and you get a full width surface support flush with the table. The extendable table gives you a wider working surface, and the sliding panel increases your crosscut capacity. Larger sheet material feels stable and supported, which means more accuracy and a safer cut. You can either fix the sliding panel in place for an extended table to prevent wobble when feeding, or use the mitre gauge fixed in place to slide with the panel like this. And speaking of the mitre gauge, this isn't just your basic bar. XL has given it preset latching positions at 90, 75, 60, 45 and 30 degrees. That means quick, repeatable angled cuts without having to second guess your setup. The throat plate is metal, not plastic, so you get rigidity where it matters most. Built-in safety features include soft start, overload protection, a covered stop-start button, a riving knife to reduce kickback, blade guard, splitter and a push stick that clips neatly to the side. There's also a rear dust extraction port. Hook it up to your dust extractor to keep the work area cleaner and safer. One thing we really like about this saw is how simple it is to get started. Out of the box, you don't need Allen keys or fiddly screw setups. It's practically ready to run. Now here's where things get interesting. Products that are similar to this on the market with these awesome features like your rack and pinion system like this, the sliding table that comes out like this so you get a wider cross cut. These are often retailing maybe 4 or 5 times the price of what this is, so you get an excellent value for your money there. This is genuinely one of the best value table saws on the UK market right now. XL have built something that feels premium, cuts like a beast and delivers incredible performance. If you're after precision, power and value, this saw ticks every box. The XL 254mm Extendable Table Saw available now at Tools for Trade.